Hey guys, so today I am back with another video, and in this video I am going to be doing I tried following, YouTubers makeup, and today I'm going to be doing Aaliyah J's makeup because I love Aaliyah J, like that's sis. So I'm gonna put my hair back because I really don't want it in my face right now. So I mean it is in my face though, but I don't want it in the way. So yeah, so let's get started. Oops. So now we have to prime our eyes, so let me do that. Oh, this is really fast. Hold on. So I prime my eyes with concealer, so let me do that. Okay. All done. Modern Renaissance palette. Okay. Wow. Okay, so I don't have the Modern Renaissance palette, but I have a palette that is like it. Okay, and sis is taking a, what did she take? Okay, she took a lighter type of brown or something. Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. See, I'm gonna use this one right here and see how it works. In my crease with a fluffy brush, it doesn't matter what the brush this is, but you just want to fluff this all around, and it doesn't have to be super pretty, just fluff it all around. So now I'm taking burnt orange, and I'm also putting this in my crease, and I'm just fluffing that around. And then I'm going to take this orange shade. Okay. Since I'm a little bit darker than her, I'm gonna take this orange shade. I believe it's I have to use a little bit darker shades. In my crease also, and I'm also just gonna put this in the outer corner on my eyelid because Kim Kardashian had like it was kind of natural, but for me because I have darker skin, this is what I'm gonna use. Now she's using a champagne shade, which I have, and she's using a fluffy brush to put it all over in the middle, so that's what I'm gonna do. Say no more, sis. That burnt orange shadow again and fluff everything out. And I kind of put the burnt orange on top of the primavera shadow. And at the end of this tutorial, you're gonna see that you put everything out. And I kind of put the burnt orange on top of the primavera shadow. Okay. And at the end of this tutorial, you're gonna see that you really can't see the primavera shadow. So now I'm going to moisturize my face with the L'Occitane Ultra Rich Shea Moisturizer. I love this. Okay, well. It's great for dry skin. Go watch my skin. Wait. Okay. So I'm putting that, like she said, on the creases. This is really pretty. I like this a lot. Okay, what's next? Sis said we need to moisturize our skin, and my skin is already moisturized, so we're gonna move on to the next. And now I'm using primer, and I'm gonna use Laura Mercier Luminous Flawless Foundation. And this is in the color Pinky. Okay, so foundation time. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna put my foundation that I use. And I'm going to use this brush. This looks like the Artiste brush. I found these brushes on Amazon at a really cheap cost. I'll talk about them in my next tutorial. But this is like my second time using it ever. And I'm not too crazy about it. Like, I just love my beauty blender so much. And you're going to see that in the next clip. I tried to use the other brush for the concealer. And I just wasn't having it. Like, I just wasn't too crazy. I love my beauty blender. So now I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer, and this is in the color. They already said. I have such a tan, you guys. You see my tan? Okay, go ahead. Tan I am. I'm just gonna go in with my concealer. Don't mind me. Don't mind me. Okay, ready for blending, sis. Always. This is already done blending in like 2 seconds. But I know it's because it's fast forwarded, so it's a little bit different. Okay. Alright, what's next? Okay, so this is the best that I can for Laura Mercier dupe. So we're gonna do that one. So I don't bake. I just can't cause my skin just don't. But we still gonna do what it do. Okay, so we're just gonna set that. I actually really like how this is. I've never really used this, but I might start using it again. Okay, so we're cream contour. When did sis already cream contour? Like, hold up. You guys already know I'm using that Fenty. You guys already know. What else I'm gonna use? Okay. Cause Fenty wasn't out yet. Feel me though. So it's okay, girl. It's okay. Okay, so we're gonna also. Okay, so sis said first you gotta. Hey, we're lit. Okay, you guys, hold up. I love this freaking look. Like, what? This is why I love Aaliyah. Like, this is freaking bomb. And I'm gonna have to redo this look again because it's so like it's like so subtle but so sultry. Mm. And I'm also gonna put mascara on my bottom lashes. If you guys want to see an eyelash tutorial, make sure to check. Wait, sis already put lashes on, y'all. And I'm also gonna put mascara on my bottom lashes. If you guys want to see an eyelash tutorial. Okay. Now we gotta put our lip gloss on.